So we're going to create our first Livecode app, which we call Stack, because stacks are the base Livecode document, and each stack is composed by a set of cards, collection of cards. We start with one. By default, when I create a stack, I get a first card, but I can add other cards to my stack, and we'll see that in other lectures. A card is basically this screen area that I see here. And on this card, I can have different objects. I can have buttons. I can have fields. I can have controls like pop-up menus. I can have graphics. I can have images. I can have a whole bunch of objects. To add objects to my card, just drag them from the tools palette on the side and drop them on the card. Any object that I have on my card, including the card itself and the stack itself, can have associated a script. So now we're going to add a button to our card. I'm going to resize the button. And with the right mouse button, I'm going to open the Property Inspector. Property Inspector allows me to change all the properties related to this button, starting from the name. I can define the type of the button. I can determine if the button is visible or not visible, if the name is shown or not, if the button is opaque or not, auto highlight, and a bunch of other properties. Icons and border, color, geometry, blending, size and position, text formatting. Now that we had changed the name of our button, we're going to edit the script associated to this button. By default, Livecode puts a mouse up handler for this button, which is the most likely event in the case of a button, meaning I'm going to click on the button and something is going to happen. So mouse up, when my mouse is clicked and released on the button, I'm going to put hello world into field greeting. As you can see, Livecode language is practically English, because I say put the string hello world into field greeting. Apply, close. On my card I still have no field greeting, so I'm going to create one. Got this text entry field. I resize it. Open the Property Inspector. And so I need a field called greetings, so I change the name of this field. This is normally text entry field, meaning I can click on it and write on it, but I don't want this behavior, so I'm going to lock the text. I'm going to block it. User won't be able to click in it. I'm going to change the text formatting for this field. Just going to change the font size, which is 24. I can choose also the font. I'm going to use Arial Black. And text alignment, center. Till now, we've been working in edit mode, meaning I can select objects on my card and I can move them around, I can resize them. But if I switch to run mode, click on this arrow, I can't select these elements anymore, but my stack is now in run mode, meaning if I click my button, code is working and ready to react to my inputs. So clicking on this button, the script put say hello world into this field is executed, and there I have it. To go back to editing mode, just click on the edit mode, and I can change, for example, location of my button.